Let's start the update with my spinach. Look at that bed of spinach. That stuff, this is, if you want to grow a fast crop, right here, this is what you grow, spinach. That is just phenomenal. Look at that stuff. And you could grow multiple beds of this a year. It's just crazy. So I just wanted to give you a little greenhouse update today. Johnny Jump Ups. There's the carrot bed over there. Cosmos. Get you down there where you can see. I actually bought these here. These are hummingbird plants. Bought those online. They just came the other day, so we'll see how they're doing. They look a little peaked, but we'll see. There's the lettuce bed. Not too much growth on that. The romaine lettuce is doing pretty good. Not too excited about these beets. They're okay. Some of them didn't germinate. I did have some old seeds. I'm not exactly sure. They could have been several years old. There's regular radishes. Some more flowers and some hanging pots. Same over here. Got some flowers. There's the glads. They're doing good. This one back in the corner here. See that one right there? It actually was growing its stem down into the ground. So watermelon radishes, onions. We're going to bypass the cucumbers. Here's my other melons. They haven't come out yet. Here's a nice stand of green onions. There's tomato starts and some other herbs, some dill, oregano, all your kind of herbs. Cabbage starts are good. Zucchinis need repotted. There's some watermelons that need watered. So yeah, just wanted to give a quick update on the greenhouse. Everything in here is growing pretty good. Couple more problems. If you haven't checked out my video about my cucumber problem, I'll leave a link to it right up there. Check that out and see if you can figure out what I got going on. I've had a couple suggestions and I think that they're probably right. I think it's a combination of two things. But if you watch that video, see if you've had the same problem and what maybe we can do about it to reverse it. I think everything is going to be okay with them, but I'm going to update that in another video. So, but yeah, go down and watch that video. Like I said, I'll leave that link up there, and go look at that and see if you know what I got going on. So if you do, please comment. If you like these kind of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, to build the channel. We're almost at 200 subscribers here on my channel, and I'm so grateful to everyone. So what I wanted to do was just give you a quick greenhouse update. Pretty cold today, about 45 degrees. It's raining right now. Not exactly my favorite spring day. So, but nice and warm here in the greenhouse. It's about 65 degrees in here. So everything is going good. Let me real quick, let me give you the soil temp. Soil temp's down to about 60 degrees though today, guys. So yeah, yesterday it was pretty good in here, but today it's a little bit cool, but everything's still looking pretty good in here. So stick with me. Gardening is kind of a marathon, not a race. So everyone out there that gardens or farms knows that. Things take a while, but once they get going, they really take off. So stick with me. I want to say to everyone, I hope that you and your families are safe and happy, and everyone is staying virus free. And until I see you again, I want to say God bless to you and your families. Have a great day.